Today is the 1st of October and right now I'm at Shinjuku Station. Our agenda for today is to go to the otaku capital in Japan. Well, what is an otaku? To make it simple, it refers to people who have a strong passion for anime, manga, or video games. To get there from Shinjuku Station, we'll have to transfer to Chuo Sobu Line, then drop off at Akihabara Station and take the exit to the Electric Town Gate. If you're really an anime fan, it is a must for you to take a stop here at Akihabara. Wait, isn't that? Oh, Genshin Impact. Genshin is originally from China, and I've been playing this on my mobile phone for over 2 years now. It's really so nice to be here. I really don't know where to go in this place, but yeah, let's just keep on walking and who knows what we'll see. If you're wondering, I have my top 3 favorite anime. Number 3 is One Piece. Number 2 is Bleach, and of course my number 1 is Naruto. Ano naman kaya ang mabubudol sa atin pagdating dito sa anime capital ng Japan or ng buong mundo? Let's see kung meron. Biglang nagutom ang person. So, eto muna, may nakita akong kainan. It's called Sukiya. So here in Japan, it's very common that you have to order like this to get your food. And in this restaurant, they offer curry, which is, a first for me here in Japan. Orderin natin itong pork curry rice with tender chicken. Tapos, hanap tayo ng side dish. Ano kayang okay dito? Ito siguro, naka-combo din pala yung mga side dishes nila, no? Ayan, tapos na din tayong umorder. Here's our order. Kita nyo yan. Tender chicken. So, alam nyo na yung next. In 3, 2, 1! In fairness, nakakapagod din kumain. So, ayan, kailangan na natin magbayad. Now, ikot-ikot na tayo kung saan pwedeng pumunta at kung ano pwedeng makita dito sa Akihabara. Here in this place, you'll find that there are many women dressed as maids. Because the Maids Cafe is one of the most popular attractions here in Akihabara. This building is Don Quixote in Akihabara. There are also lots of things to see here in this building, but unfortunately they do not allow to take photos or videos inside. Now this is Animate, a shop in which, you know, you can see lots of anime things. Ito talaga yung pumukaw ng attention ko kasi ito yung mga first chapters ng One Piece and Naruto. As a Naruto fan, syempre kinalakihan ko to. Pero pag-isipan muna natin kung bibili tayo niyan. If you're a fan of BL comics or manga, they also have it, but I think they have it in Japanese. Most of the mangas here are in Japanese. Ayan, nakita ko si Usopp, Sanji, meron ding Boruto. Oh, mukhang alam nyo naman yan, di ba? Jujutsu Kaisen. At ayun na nga, nagpabudol na tayo. Bumili tayo ng art book ng Uzumaki Naruto. Gusto ko sana bumili ng mga action figures kaso nalaki naman ng mga boxes so hindi ko rin siya kayang iuwi. Baka hindi kasya sa maleta natin, di ba? So for now, yung straight line na yan ng Akihabara lang ang nag-visit natin. Pero in the near future siguro we can find out more interesting places to see in this area. Then, pagkatapos nating mag-Akihabara, let's go to Harajuku. once na umalis ka sa station, makikita mo kagad tong area na to. This is called Takeshita Street. Takeshita Street. So this street is like a long line of stores or shops, including souvenirs, food. Ito rin, used clothing shop. So parang mga ukay-ukay sa atin. Ay, wait lang. Ano yun? Ay, New Balance. Tara, tingnan natin anong meron sa loob. Malamang sapatos, diba? Tinatanong pa. Pero may nakita akong bago. This is the New Balance Cafe. At dahil bago sa pandinig, syempre, titikman natin kung anong lasa ng kape nila. I ordered sporty latte. This is espresso with milk, Milo, or caramel. I chose caramel. Nice naman yung lasa niya for 550 yen. After natin mag New Balance, hindi man ako bumili ng shoes. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. At dire-diretso pa rin ang lakad natin. Ayan, may Adidas. Kunyari di natin nakita. Diretso pa rin ang tingin. Then, nakita ko tong shopping mall na to. And ang ganda ng interior. So, pasok tayo kung anong meron. O diba sabi ko pasok tayo pero nasa labas na agad tayo. Eh kasi nga, pumasok lang ako para mag-CR. And then, ito, makikita natin itong street na to. Ang masasabi ko lang, full of high-end luxury brands. So nakita nyo naman before, may Dior, Valentino, Hublot, Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent. At marami pang brands na kayo na bahala kung paano mag-pronounce. Dahil dyan, umuwi na lang tayo. As always, thank you for watching Travel with Van in Tokyo, Japan. See you in the next episode.